Hello viewers, this is Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk how do YouTube channels make money. Well, so there are several ways to make money on YouTube, but among them I know about 6 ways, and which are through Adsense ads, actually Google Adsense ads, and the second one is through affiliate product selling. And then the third option, you can make money on YouTube by selling your own product. It could be t-shirt, it could be any online product, or it could be any physical product. Okay, and then the fourth option is by doing sponsored videos, and then the fifth option is by selling online courses, and the sixth option is by Patreon membership feature. Okay, so let me give you a little brief about each of the options. So the first option, which is Adsense ads, or actually Google Adsense ads, so I usually use this way to generate my passive income. So let me talk about Google Adsense ads. So to be eligible for making money through Google Adsense ads, you will need to have, or you will need to actually fill up few requirements. Okay, first of all, and these are: your content should be very social friendly, okay, and then there should not be anything bad, and then you will need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time into your videos. Actually, not in every single video. So if you have 10 videos, and if you have got 2,500 hours of watch time in one video, and 1,500 watch time hours of another video, then it's all right. So you are just reached through the threshold. All right, so I hope you just got the point. So you'll need to have a combined 4,000 hours of watch time to be eligible for applying to get monetization to your YouTube channel. Okay, so after that, YouTube will review your channel, and if they find everything is fine with your contents, your channel, then they will approve, and they will place advertisements into your videos. And then if your viewers clicks on these videos or watch video ads, which you may see on some of my videos, then you will get paid. Okay, so that's the process of Google Adsense. I hope I was able to make you clear, but if you are not clear, or if I have just missed something, or if you have got any question regarding this, please feel free to ask me by commenting below. I'd love to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, and then the second option is affiliate product. So there are many affiliate platforms that you can sell these products into your through your YouTube videos. So this could be any Amazon product, or a product from eBay, or maybe any other platform. Okay, so just advertise the product details and then include the affiliate link, and if sale generated through your link, then you are going to get the commission. Okay, that's the process of affiliate product. All right, and the third option is selling your own product. So there are thousands of, actually not thousands, maybe millions of people who are selling their own products through YouTube videos. So if you have got any online product, maybe it could be a software, it could be a course, which I have mentioned in fifth process or fifth method, but actually it could be placed in own product selling. Okay, so your product could be also maybe t-shirt, maybe shirts, maybe a dress for women or girls, and then it could be any physical product. Okay, and or online product. Okay, you can make money through YouTube videos by advertising on your YouTube videos. Okay, and then the fourth option, which is sponsorship. So basically, if you have got a channel which has high value in market, or the topic you are making videos about, and if there are many products out there of this topic, and then if you just reach to a certain amount of subscribers, it could be 2,000, it could be 5,000, it could be 10,000, and more, so on. Okay, so if you have reached to any of the milestones, or maybe any certain amount, and if a company manager or company business development person found your channel interested, or if they just believe that your channel, if you just upload a video into your channel, and their product will get a shout out, and they will generate some business, then they will reach out to you with some offers. They could offer you a product to for free to you, and they also could offer you money for making the sponsorship content to your channel. Okay, so now let's come to the fifth point, which is course selling or online course selling. So if you're a tech savvy person, and if you have got very high extensive levels of experience, skills and knowledge to share with your students or maybe with your subscribers, then you could create a course, online paid course, and then you can ask them to try out, or you can sell the course to this person if it is really going to make their money worth and time worth it. Then you could make a course, and then you can sell it to your subscribers through your YouTube videos. So that's the process. And then the sixth option is Patreon. So basically on Patreon, there are many YouTube channels, you may have noticed, they has 50,000 subscribers, 100k subscribers, and they have a button on their about us page like Patreon, or maybe donate, or maybe to join our premium service. Okay, these types of buttons. So these are actually a Patreon video, Patreon membership based videos. So basically in Patreon based programs, the YouTubers provides high valued videos to their subscribers for a specific amount of money. They may going to pay you monthly or maybe yearly as well. The amount could be $1, $2, $5, $10 for from each subscribers, and this is really great. Okay, so this was the options of making money through YouTube. So I hope you have got some idea on this topic. I believe you have found this video helpful, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video to encourage me, and please share this video to encourage others as well. So I believe you are already motivated, so just motivate others as well. And then just let me know your opinion by commenting below, and if you have got any question as well, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for being with me.